G'day everyone, so in today's video I'm going to be replacing the HVAC vent actuator on a PX3 Ranger. So this is the part here, brand new, the 30 bucks on eBay, and I'll show you what noise it makes if yours is faulty. So to get your glove box down, it's pretty easy. Just push these two ends in and it'll come down, and then the HVAC actuator is in there. So that is the noise that it will be making if yours is faulty. So pretty easy to get out. There's just a plug there that you undo. And that pretty much just unclips from there. There's a little tab there, you just push on that and it unclips. So there are 3 Phillips head screws that hold the actuator in. You will need a little stubby Phillips head screwdriver to get them out. This is the one that I'm using. And essentially there's enough room there to get your hand in there and start unscrewing it. And like that, it should come out. So once you have all your screws out, that actuator should just slide on out. And they have a little keyway on them, which is over here, which you need to take note of. So that's the little keyway there. You have to line that up when you put your actuator back in. And on the right, we have the old one, and that's the new one that's going in. They're pretty much both identical, except that one is the Wally one, which is a genuine one, and this one here is the cheap aftermarket one. So going back in is just the opposite of the removal. And it is in, so just got to put the screws back in and we're pretty much set. Alrighty, so I've got the actuator back in, the plug is back in. Now the only thing left to do is to test it out. So one of the things that it was doing was that it was blowing down at the feet whenever you turn it on. So now when I switch, obviously we've got that. Now it's blowing down at the feet as it should. So turning that off now, it's blowing back up here. And if I put it just down on the feet, it's blowing pretty much cold air down at the feet. And the good thing is when you turn it off, the actuator is no longer making any noises, which is the main thing that was annoying me, was the constant noise whenever you turn the car off. So it's not doing that anymore. And to put the glove box back in position, all you do is just push it up like that. So thanks for tuning in. That's it for this video. Till next time, I'll see you guys later.